Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. Welcome back to InstaTV. Taking a cue from the United States, Great Britain released its final GDP report for the third quarter. However, economic prospects do not look particularly bright for the United Kingdom compared to its American counterpart. The latest statistical data provided by the Office for National Statistics suggests a downward revision of GDP figures as the country demonstrated a poorer economic performance throughout the third quarter. The pace of economic expansion turned out to be slower than analysts had projected due to a weaker growth in the services sector and a contraction in public investments. In the July to September quarter, Britain's gross domestic product added 0.4%, which is lower than the previous estimate of 0.5%. In the prior reporting period, the UK economy grew by 0.5% on a quarterly basis. Meanwhile, in annual terms, the country's GDP printed a rise by 2.1%, while the initial figures pointed to a 2.3% increase. In the second quarter, the economy expanded by 2.3%. The growth rate of the British economy recorded its lowest level since the beginning of the global financial recession in 2008. Given the present circumstances, the Bank of England is most likely to refrain from tightening its monetary policy through rate hikes. Despite the downbeat GDP report, Britain's national currency still stands strong against the euro.
The final GDP figures from the United Kingdom for the third quarter came in weaker than expected. However, the British economy is expanding at a faster pace than continental Europe. So, if the pound loses ground against the euro, the decline is likely to be rather small and short-lived. We may see a gradual strengthening of the pound sterling versus the single European currency in the short term, with the immediate price target at 0.73.
According to Alexander Davidov, an economic analyst at ИнстаФорекс, the British pound will continue to resist the single European currency, whereas the euro is expected to weaken amid sluggish market activity due to the upcoming Christmas holidays. This was Daily Financial News on InstaTV. Thank you and goodbye.